Hello, my name is Shai and I made the Blender logo using only procedural shading. Just to explain why this looks so random, I'm going to play the animation. So this is using Voronoi. I scale this using Voronoi that is twisted. So my texture coordinates look like this. And that gives our final output twisting and fracturing effect. And because I can change the amount that it scales it, I can change basically the effect of this fracturing. So I'm just decreasing it until it reaches 0 and shows the original image. But this Blender logo, like I said, is fully procedural. It is made out of 3 circles, one of them being this kind of shape, which defines the nice Blender logo curve. So I made this circle shape and added it with 2 more circles, one for this white part, one for the blue. And I added these 3 protruding, I called them fins in my node setup. So each of these 3 correspond to fin 3, fin 2, fin 1. And this node group looks like this on the inside. Fin 2, the second one, looks like this on the inside, and the same for the third. These each give this result, and when they're added together with the circles, you get this. The next step is that I round out these corners. Since this is really sharp, it's a very sharp angle, I want to round it out. And I do that for all of these parts where different pieces intersect. So all of this blue piece here is for the rounding step. This is for adding the fins. And these here are for making the main body of the logo. This step colors it. This last step with the mix shader node puts it on a transparent background. This last step puts it all on a transparent background. All of this yellow block is for the animation. So I use the animation to show that it is procedural and it's not a normal image. Thank you for watching this super short video. If you would like to see a more challenging node setup, I highly recommend you watch my video on screen right now. It is about making the CG Boost logo using only procedural shading. It takes over 1,700 nodes and it's one of my favorite projects that I've worked on.